Alright guys, so in today's video, this is my computer. I got it running, finally. And as you can see, I'm playing a door scratch game. Anyways, so this door scratch game is made by me. So I can't use Roblox Studio on this computer. It just doesn't let me. I don't know, it just won't let me download it. Only what I can use is Scratch. So why not do a video where I play my Scratch game, but with a twist? Joystick on computer. So I've never played the Scratch game before. On video. Why wouldn't I have played my own Scratch game before? So I'm going to record. So first I'm going to show you normal playthrough of this game. And then I'm going to try joystick on computer. And that's going to probably be so hard. Alright, so this is door 1. Tell you the names of all the monsters and kind of. On door 3, this is the second locked door. It's kind of pretty easy. Just click the keys to get them. Okay, I just got another locked room. Another one? Okay, now go down to the closet. The monster's coming. Alright, that was a monster called Hurry. It's basically just Dora's bootleg. Anyways, let's go. So, door 10. I'm going to tell you what this game is called. If you want to find it, my username, the game itself is called Entries. And in case that doesn't help you find it, my username is cool yes no, no spaces, just cool yes no. Anyways, this monster is the ambush monster. It's called Surprise. Because ambush means a surprise attack. And also hide exists. Alright, anyways, next monster. There's monsters. This is the Screech monster. I have another Doors game, except it's not bootleg and it's too disturbing, but it's still up. Anyways, let's get this monster away because this monster sucks. Anyways, time to do joystick on computer challenge. Click flag. Alright, so we have to use the joystick to move. Alright, so as you can see, I'm using the joystick on my computer. And this is very hard. I'm so used to using a computer, even though I'm used to using mobile, that I literally might try to use my keyboard to play on my iPad. Alright, next door is a monster. Alright. I've survived my first monster using joystick. On computer. That's what makes it so hard. 11, 13. Alright, let's survive our next monster. Okay, that kind of actually scared me. We survived some surprise. And if you can't figure out how to get past the monsters, because you weren't watching this video, because you weren't listening when you were watching this video, there's a guide to the monsters in the instructions. Also in the notes and credits, I credited Google. Anyway, this monster exists. I just click the blood stains. If I click the blood stains, he just go away. Anyways, that was it for now. May upload part 2. Or should I just speedrun corridors for the rest of the video? You know what? I'm gonna make this video a bit longer, guys. I'm gonna speedrun some other people's scratch games. Loading. Mouse is loading. Loading. Stop loading. I said stop loading. Disclaimer. This is Doors bootleg. Blah, blah, blah. You can also use WASD, but I just enjoy arrow keys. I think my computer screen might have froze. Okay. This isn't good. Oh. There's still image though. I credited Google in the notes and credits. Anyways, time to read the notes and credits. Time to read everything I have here. Disclaimer, this is Doors bootleg. How to walk. Joystick / WASD / arrow keys. And then if you scroll down, how to survive monsters. But I can't scroll down because it's broken. It froze my computer screen. And then we have hurry, hide, when lights flicker, hide in the closet. Surprise. Just same thing as hurry, but he comes back. And then we have shriek. Click on it. That's literally instructions. It works, yay! I can just like, wait, can I do this with the mouse on my face? Just ate the mouse, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Entries on scratch. Right click won't work. I'm gonna press inspect and delete you. Oh! Click on it to make it disappear. When I was typing that out, it actually made it say disappointed, so. Anyways, let's. Cow! What the heck? I did not. Doors. I'm terrible at spelling, so I just use this autocorrect. Enter. Oh. Alright, it's this game. Because I'm making a Doors video, so why not play Doors games that aren't the real Doors? Because I'm poors. I have another Doors video in the works. I have to remake it, but anyway, let's get on the corridors. This is a pretty hard game to beat. I've only made it to door 50 using glitches, using hacks. Yes, I use hacks in Scratch games. I use hacks in Scratch games. Like what? You don't use hacks in games made by like 3-year-olds? You're weird. Go this way. What I don't like about this game is that the grid is that the door never matches up with the grid. Where are you? Where? Go away, go away. I just got rid of Screech. Where is he? Go away, bro. Also, that's an entity called Play. Oh, I did not know that the bookshelves in that Play in here would attack you. Actually, he's never done that before. Okay, no, I died. Died to rush. I'm gonna use my WASD now. So close to the E key. That's why I like it. That's why I use arrow keys, because it's like actually tells you the direction. Okay, this is pretty good. I like this. I like WASD now. I'm a WASD. WASD. Oh, bro, I'm an idiot. I tried to use the W key to hide. I wasn't even near a closet. I'm actually an idiot. And also, let's use hacks to beat this game. I'll use hacks to beat this game in a second. I'll show you what hack I used. Show you what hacks I used on games made by children. Avoid. Oh! He's coming back though, like, I'm not safe. Like, why did they put a closet there? I'm not gonna die. I guess he's gone. Your life. I made a mistake. Okay, I thought I could hide there. No, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm not used to making computer games in a second. I could play one of my friend's games. He made a game called Cereal Maker. I get milk and cereal in your thing. I just look like a pro gamer to you guys, don't I? I just look like, it's just like, bro, bro, this guy's so pro. Also, tip for doors players. If you don't get rush or ambush for a long time, then just don't even think of them. Don't even talk about them. Just don't talk about them. Like, hey, where's like rush or ambush, like that, or else they will come for you, or else you open next door. Next thing you know, no, I hate these. Play. They just killed me. Almost killed me. I'm gonna try to die to play. Takes a few hits for play to kill you. Like, you need to be hit 10 times by play to die. Hey, play. I didn't hit spacebar. Oh, I hit spacebar. Why did I hit spacebar? I don't know, but apparently it's either spacebar or this game has the power to crash my computer. Can I move now? I can't move, but I can still hear noises. The arrow keys are just separated. Everything else. Okay, so my computer froze. I'm smashing the arrow keys. Nothing's even happening. Character stopped, like, froze mid something that I don't know. Is it? Can I just like can I click anything? Well, I made it to door 21. That's pretty good. For you guys, it might look like 12, but it's actually 21. Anyways, guys, that'll be it for this video because like my computer may have crashed.